Dear girls, every video I make actually me talk about you, cause some of you girls are very unique and special in our own different ways. But I have just a little something on my mind I want to tell you. Girls, a lot of us men realize say we not look for a real man. But the man them out there we do them best. Understand say real no mean perfect. Man a man, flaws and imperfect. Well, most of the girls have us man at a high standard. Nothing wrong with that, cause in the beginning God made man first. But some of the girls who know want so much from us men. Nah, so enough for all way at a high standard. But when man a do them best a try please we need recognition and appreciation. That's it. When you see a man dip on him low, you have to have him back basically. There's no such thing in this world as a perfect man. And point blank, every girl out there knows say man love sex. If you choose in a sexual relationship, you pick up the responsibility of your man's sexual appetite. So anytime you want pussy, give him pussy. Stop move stush with the pussy. So this is just a short video. Comment, subscribe and rate. Follow me on Instagram at Trabass.
Girl,